Right, horrible lighting, but we can do this. What we've got here is the footboard with a rubber covering a metal plate, and we want to get rid of all this rubber because we don't need that. We've got something to do with that. So effectively, what I've got to do is cut that rubber off. Now, see if my knife is sharp enough. This is my multi-tool, small hammer, various different bits and pieces. I do keep this knife sharp. So effectively, this is my multi-tool, and what we're going to do is going to cut out the metal plate that's in here. Let's see if it's going to do it. There we go. Effectively cut out the plate, and as you can see, there's a lot of rust under there. Look at all that rust. Look at it all. And that's why I'm cutting the rubber off as well. Because basically they've just put a metal plate and some rubber and hope for the best, and it's basically not the best. My knife is sharp enough. I do keep it sharp, but it's also rubber plugs in there you gotta cut through. Right there. There we go. Yeah, they've just basically dipped it in rubber. So you've got to cut all the rubber points off. Look at the state of that. That's one of the reasons I want to take the rubber off, because I want the plate, but I don't need the rubber. As I said, we've got plans for this. Last one. There we go. So, we've got the rubber off. Look at the rust on there. Take that last bit off. There we go. There we go. That is the state of the plate underneath. But it's off. We'll clean that up and we'll use it. This, well, oh, the rust on that. Great plan. Yeah, the rust on that. But anyway, that's off. Now the next bit. Right, as I showed you, there you need a bit of clean up. Them two, mainly on the underside. It's not too bad on this side, but effectively what I've got to do is just clean them up, and then we can work from there. This definitely needs clean up. I'll clean it up and paint it. Effectively, it's a wire brushing time. Or actually, no, I'll use the angle grinder. So I've got a flat wheel on the angle grinder. This one is about, still got a little life in it, but it's about out. I'll just give it a run over with that, paint it up. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll show you what I do. But effectively, I'm going to do that. so what I'll do now is give it a paint. Put my cloth down. Old tea towels. Just softening up the edges because they are a little sharp. Softening up the edges because they are a little sharp. You're not going to see this anyway, but I'd just rather be safe if you take it apart again. That's better. That's better. Right. And what I've got is a crust, hammerite crust, which is basically it treats any rust on there and makes it a better quality rust. It actually puts it, it's very good stuff, and I do use it quite often. Right, so a little bit in the tub, get the paintbrush in, let it soak up, and then just, my brush has gone hard, oh well, it'll clean up. I'll put some spirit on it, but effectively just coating the plate in this Rust-Oleum helps work the rust. What it does is it basically reacts with the iron and it turns the rust to black, so you know where the rust is. There we go. I'll go and clean my brush after this. Right, go and hang this up. Right, you know that rusty plate that we had? Well, I've cleaned it up. I've used crust, Rust-Oleum crust. It basically neutralises and hardens rust. Cleaned it up and then I've given it a coat of matte black because this is you're not going to see this anyway, so I just need it as the plate. All done. Quite happy with that.